The Jaipur Temple is a very grand building, constructed in 1917 by the King of Jaipur, Sawai Madho Singh, who also built the Jaipur Temple at Varshana. It is across from Davanala Kund and is number 18 on our map. It is a big temple and is very nicely presented with beautiful stone and marble work. On the main altar we find Radha-Madhava with the Astasakis. On the next altar is Hansa-Gopala, the swan incarnation of the Lord. To our left of him are the four Kamas, and on our right the black deity is Nimbakacharya. On the third altar is Radha Ananda-bihari.